I lived a couple years without a teardrop. Look, I don't wanna die for love, like if I stay calm, I keep you safe. But you make me wanna risk it all. And I get a little sad when you miss my calls. That's childish, I never act like this because I can't be catching feelings cause there's so much other shit involved. Like how my niggas will react if I write you. You said my fans won't accept you, so I hide you. Hate that I have to lie to people and say I like you. But I know that it's deeper than that. This is my truth, I love what's inside you. Way more than your pretty face. I don't usually go on dinner dates. I prepare to go home and I got me doing different things. And I'm really loving this has changed. I just need you to be patient. I'm working. And all my trust issues and my pride cause you worth it. I'm learning about commitment and telling down all your curses. I know buying you gifts don't make me a better person. You said you my heart. You said and you everybody say you are. You said you yes, in my heart. Everybody, you said I can feel it way too, but I can feel it. I can feel the magic. Tell me if you can imagine. Don't you dare see somehow. Love will take you higher, baby. You said what's it? I can feel the magic. Tell me if you can imagine. Don't you dare see somehow. Cause love will take you higher, baby. Radio Mahindra. Make some noise for Mahindra one time. Y'all ready to party? Let's go. Said what? She said what? Anytime I win, you say it to my face. I'm proud to see my niggas out the same, baby. They're gonna grow. The face for the take you. I'm kidding. That's one. I'm kidding. That's one, 1, 2, 3, minimum. What's up? I used to talk shit. Oh, you said I'm cheap. And you should probably leave a girl that I'm seeing with her. I never leave, it takes up on us again. Why I got a Benny and a Benny, man, a Benny, man, a Benny, you know you rich and everybody say you cousin. Hey, ain't no you women, but no put your hand in puzzling. But that she never fly, let me teach you. Say I'm a bum, but you nah. Cause them watches got a nigga dancing with them. I'll be DPL, they got a ball. I will let them go. Now they should be nigga. One more time. I'm gonna get it anytime. If it's real, then you say it to me. I probably send my niggas out to say it in the lane. We do this for the day, yeah. Cassper Nyovest, and I'm going to be here with you, trying to entertain you. All I need is your beautiful energy, just like you had it throughout the night. Big shout out to everybody who got on the stage. It was so beautiful. Please keep it like that. Let's try something else. She's the mama. Should we do more or less? I don't know. Can we do two more? Let me try two more. I want to tell you where I'm from. This is where I'm from, one time. This is a song about where I'm from. Yeah. I'm from a very small town in a very small province. But we really those guys. I need everybody to put their hands in the air like this. When I say frustrated, it's a catchline. Frustrated, catchline. Frustrated, frustrated. I said that. You know? I need you. You guys have been such an awesome crowd, man. I can't believe it. I think that's all the time we have, but you guys have been so awesome. I know my name of Cassper Nyovest. I'm going to leave. One more. Okay, let me try this. Remove Pretoria. Remove Pretoria. Okay, since I'm in Pretoria, it's only right. Since I'm in Pretoria, it's only right. Can I do something for Pretoria? Just for Pretoria. Eh? Okay, sorry. Hey! Okay, I'll do one more. Just if you join me. When I teach you something, I'm gonna count 3, 2, 1. I wanna hear everybody go. Baby, I done a rocks in no dash. Baby, I done a rocks in no dash. Baby, I done a rocks in no dash. Baby, let me go higher. Let me go. Ooh. Baby, I done a rocks in. Baby, I done a rocks in. Baby, I done a rocks in no. Okay, you guys, I want to do it with my friends though. Make some noise for Sowetan's finest one time. Go. Ooh, baby, I'm done a rocks and no dash. Baby, I'm done a rocks and no dash. Baby, I'm done a rocks and no dash. Baby, I'm done a rocks and no. Ooh, baby, I'm done a rocks and no dash. 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 Baby, I'm gonna no dash. dash. Billion, everybody go. Billion, generosity go. Billion, generosity go. Billion, generosity go. I love you so much. Before I leave, I can't get off the stage without saying this. This is the most important thing in my life. Last year, I gave my life to Jesus Christ, and I just want to say He's the name above all names, the King above all kings. It doesn't matter what you do, you could give glory to God anyway. So me as a rapper, and I stand on the stage and say, I am nothing without the name Jesus Christ. Good night, I love you, peace.